Welcome back to Wittenberg Academy's Greek 2 course. We are in Gleason's Greek Primer, Lesson 21, Demonstrative Pronouns and Time Constructions. So learn the declension of akeinos, section 696, and also review hutos and learn its feminine. So again, in the back of the book are all the various paradigms that we need to find, that we need to memorize. And so in section 696, it's on page 261 and following. So make your form cards, nice note cards. You can memorize those. Like hutos, akeinos is used with the article and stands in the predicate position. So again, it's whatever word the demonstrative is referring to will also have the article. And now some expressions of time. Tes de nuktos eklepsetis tus hippus. But in the night, someone stole the horses. So the genitive shows time within which. Tau te de te himera effugan hoi palemioi. On this day, the enemy fled. So the dative shows time when, an exact time. And the accusative, akeinen tein hemeran emenon. They tarried all that day. They tarried that day. So extent of time, how long, is shown by the accusative. So those are good rules to memorize, worth making a flashcard. Now our vocabulary. He ananke is necessity. So ananke estin is it is necessary. Iniautos, ha iniautos is the year. Alas, ale, allo is another, with the article the other, the rest of. Akeinos, and then akeine, akeino is a demonstrative pronoun meaning that one, the far demonstrative. Hemes, hemon, hemin, hemos. So that's the personal pronoun we. So hemon is the genitive of us or our. Hemin is the dative to us. And hemas is the accusative us. And then likewise, humes, humon, humin, humas is the personal pronoun second person, you. So it's in the nominative you, in the genitive of you or yours, dative to you, and the plural you. And those are all the you plural. Aurion is an adverb meaning tomorrow. Temeran is an adverb meaning today. Ge, it's an enclitic adverb. A good translation for it is at any rate. De is an adverb meaning indeed, now, then, surely, truly, accordingly. Now or or surely, or indeed, probably the best. Pros is a preposition. So this is, again, a preposition that on the back of your card, you need to list what it means with the genitive, what it means with the dative, what it means with the accusative, because it means different things. So pros with the genitive is over, against, or toward. With the dative, it's beside, or near, or at. And with the accusative, it is to, toward, or against. All right, our translations. After you've had some time to study this vocabulary, feel that you have the grammar and the forms memorized, try these translations, and then come back for the corrections. Palas de hemeras tu eniautu manthanamen ta auta. So the verb is manthanamen, present tense, piece of cake. We learn, or we are learning. We learn what? What do we learn? Has to be in the accusative case. Ta auta. We learn the same things. When do we learn them? Palas de hemeras. Accusative of extent of time. For many days, tu eniautu, genitive, we translate it with of. For many days of the year, we learn the same things. 2. Temeran de ha didaskalos pareche hemin ergan halapan. So again, accusative of extent of time, today, temeran. But today, the teacher provides for us difficult work. So the verb pareche, the subject of it is in the nominative case, ha didaskalos, Its object is in the accusative case. Ergan halapan, hard work. And then the indirect object, hemen, is in the dative. 3. Ugar radioesen hutoiga hoi lagoi. So the verb is asen, they are, and the subject is hoi lagoi, the words. So ugar radioi, but that's gar is a for, maybe not but, for the words, for these words, hutoi hoi lagoi, for these words at any rate, ge, for these words at any rate, are not radioi, easy. 4. Aurian derketai prastadidas galeon matetes tis agathos. But tomorrow, tis agathos, a certain good matetes, a certain good student, is coming to the school. 5. Hutas de mikras gestin ala kalos pepaidoi deutai. Let's try that, pronouncing that again. Hutas de mikras gestin ala kalos pepaideutai. But this, mikras gestin, but this one is small. But this one, at any rate, with that ga, is small. This one, at any rate, is small. But he has been well educated. Kalos pepaideutai. 6. Kai epistolas de gegrepa perites ton theon eridas. And epistolos, that's got to be an accusative direct object. So let's find the verb, gegrapha. He has written, what has he written? Epistolos. And now he has written epistles concerning tes eridas ton theon, concerning the strife of the gods, concerning the battle of the gods. 7. Akeina ta pai dion axe tus alus pras ton pataman. That child will lead the others to the river. 8. Intau thedepara te gefura eche ploion meston situ kai oinu. Then, where's the verb? Eche. Then he has, what does he have? Something in the accusative. Ploia, a boat. Then he has a boat full, meston, of grain and of wine. And where does he have it? Para te gefura, by the bridge. 9. Kai ananke estin humin pimpain nuktas prasta korian. And it is necessary, humin, for you to send prasta pimpain, to send something by night to the place. It is necessary for you to send, to send a messenger, to send word, to send yourselves to that place in the night. So nuktos is genitive of time within which. 10. Akeine garte himera athroisantai ake hastrategaskai hoi aloi arkantas. For on that day, dative of exact time, for on that day they shall be gathered there. Who shall be gathered there? Something in the nominative. The strategos, the general, and the other archontes, the other leaders. So the general and the other leaders shall be mustered, shall be gathered there, okay, on that day. All right, that does it for lesson 21.